We're going to be working today with the guys from Motocross Action and Dirt Bike Magazine to do some tests with the max power. Now, we don't know what oil has been ran in this bike since day one. We don't know how this bike has been ridden. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to use a bike where we really didn't know the story on it, so the parts can actually tell the story. So with that being said, looking at this cam, you can see where it's wearing pretty bad coming up the ramps. Okay, and you can see right through here where it's actually been what we call galling. Now, galling is where it gets hot enough and it carries a friction point where it actually takes metal from the cam. So you're going to look there and see if there's any grooves or anything on that. And that's what we're going to try to keep from happening with this particular product, is keep those from wearing. Because these come into metal-metal contact, and that roller wheel is metal-to-metal contact on the cam. Now, as you can see, cleaning that up as best as we can. Can you see that right in the center there? Where it looks like there's a groove? I can see it because I'm in the light over here.
Yeah, you can.
Can you see it when I roll it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a wear pattern on there. Okay. Now that wear pattern is going to be concentric with what's happening on that intake cam lobe right there. And you see where it's been peeling that metal and it's wearing? But on this one, we've actually seen metal pull away from it. Now remember, this bike's only got 30 hours on it.
But he's buying the bike, 30 hours on this bike, so it's still pretty fresh. But Dan knows nothing about it.
What's going to happen to a bike that's got 100 hours on it? You know, these parts are all, none of it's cheap. You know, they don't give away anything. How do we stop that? You can try any kind of oil you want. But I'll tell you what, the big problem that we see with our bikes is these types of chains are made for a lubricant that's like an 80-90. A 1040, a 1030, they don't hold the shock strength and the film strength to keep that from happening. So that's our aim is with this product, is to eliminate that.